People watching junior rugby matches in Yorkshire were asked to remain quiet on the touchlines today. The Silent Sunday initiative has been introduced because referees say they're getting too much abuse. Here's Faith Wilkinson.
Silence is usually associated with being in a library rather than at a rugby match, but parents, spectators and coaches were asked not to shout or cheer at youth rugby matches in Yorkshire today in an effort to improve touchline behaviour. The Rugby Football Union started the initiative after referees reported increasing verbal abuse from crowds.
What the Yorkshire RFU are trying to do is really instil the values of the RFU, teamwork, respect, enjoyment, discipline and sportsmanship. And if you encompass all of those together, then shouting at referees and having a go at players who make mistakes doesn't fit into any of that.
Some of the RFU research done last year and the year before has shown that children, some of them who leave the game do so because of pressure from the touchline from people shouting.
The Rugby Football Union admits Silent Sunday is controversial, but say the initiative is intended to stimulate debate rather than shut people up completely. They say the reaction has been mixed.
We don't want to put kids off playing. We don't want them to have negative feelings about people shouting from the touchline.
We feel we should be able to support all the boys and give them encouragement. It's a bit of a disappointment not to be able to shout and cheer.
It just feels like we could be sat in the car, to be honest, watching from inside the car, but we want to be here for the atmosphere and to get with the team.
The Yorkshire Rugby Football Union wants to raise standards of behaviour ahead of the World Cup later this year, which is expected to prompt new players to take up the sport. Faith Wilkinson, BBC Look North, Wetherby.